Here we're asked to solve 2x squared minus 3 equals 0. We'll do that by extracting the roots. Let's begin by isolating the square term. Here we'll add 3 to both sides and we'll be left with 2x squared equals 3. And then dividing both sides by 2, we have x squared equals 3 halves. Now at this point we'll apply the square root property. In that case, we're left with x equals plus or minus the square root of 3 halves. Now at this point, let's go ahead and rationalize the denominator. Here we have the square root of 3 over the square root of 2, which can be rationalized if we multiply by 1 in the form of the square root of 2 over the square root of 2. That'll leave us with x equals plus or minus the square root of 6 over the square root of 4. Or equivalently, x equals plus or minus the square root of 6 over 2.